This is CertiStar's allergy search. I've put together some sample recipes and ingredients, but when you become a CertiStar customer, these would actually be your recipes, your ingredients, your equipment. For now, let's just imagine that this is your restaurant for demonstration purposes. And you can't predict which allergies your guests may have. There are over 170 and often come in multiple combinations. This can make it very difficult to prepare and train your team to keep your customers safe. Now, let's just say it's a busy Friday night and a guest comes in and they have a particular set of allergies. They let the server know that they are allergic to egg, tomato, and onion. Now, normally this might be challenging for your staff to handle. And really, the human brain isn't built to take a list of items that the guest cannot have and produce an accurate list and comprehensive list of all the menu items that the guest can have, especially during a busy Friday night shift. CertiStar helps by quickly looking at the ingredients and the ingredients of the ingredients and come up with a full comprehensive list of all the things that the guest can have. And all you have to do is hit search. When you hit search, what happens is you get a personalized menu for this guest based on their allergies, based on ingredients and cross-contamination in a simple stoplight fashion, green, yellow, or red. Green is allergen friendly based on ingredients and cross-contamination. Look at all these things that they can have, not just the one or two things that came off the top of the head of your server or your manager. Yellow actually can be allergen friendly if we make some modifications. Take, for instance, this personal pizza. The personal pizza has a sauce in it that's made with onion. All you need to do is replace the sauce or remove it completely. And lastly, red means that it's unsafe for the customer to eat. And that's it. That's how CertiStar can help make your team a little bit more efficient, a little bit more accurate in taking care of those customers with food allergies. If you have any questions, please give us a call. It's 833-EAT-SAFE, or visit us at CertiStar.com and maybe sign up for a 14-day free trial. Thank you.